welcome back to the Before the Storm channel. Today we're gonna be installing BC coilovers on my brother's BRZ. Today we're supposed to fix my power washer. It shoots water, but I think there's something wrong with this connector, or hose adapter. So I have to pick up a new adapter and a new water hose, and that's probably gonna be like $30. Not no problem. I did lower the TSX a bit. Probably it went from like 3 fingers almost, like you fit 3 like this, to 1 finger. But I didn't upload it because Briar posted the video and it was pretty far on this channel, so y'all can go see that video like right here, somewhere up there. I did lose the keys or the key lock, you know, the big ass key you put on here. I did lose that. It's somewhere industrial, so if you do find that key lock, please let your boy know. $1,000 reward. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna take it to the dealership or break it off and buy some new lugs. Whatever happens, happens, you know. It's part of the game. Get into the episode.
Straight pipe, fool.
Yeah, no, you might need this because we had to cut shit for your coilovers, bro. The sleeves, we gotta make custom sleeves for it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That's why I cost a grade, because I gotta make my own
Yeah, you should
shit.
get these, bro. Oh, you gonna buy that? Yeah, you should get one, bro.
Oh, boost gauge?
Yeah, you should get. Yeah, that look dope, bro. Since you're going bags.
Oh, damn. Oh, I'm gonna get a new filter. Oh, I'm gonna get a new filter.
This guy. All right, go ahead, bro.
Can you go down and just let me know?
Well, I don't know where you have to jack it at. What's going on, guys? We're back at Min's house now. Got the coilovers right here. Some BC Racing coilovers. I think these are like a rose gold color. It looks really good.
Hey, dogs, man.
Hey, get back in the house. But like I was saying though, before I was interrupted by the dog, I might have to drop my car. I mean, stay the night here so Min could drive my car to school.
Now, we can finish this, bro. Hopefully.
Think so. Fingers crossed, guys. Can we just appreciate the weather today?
Hey, what's up?
Basically, take off the brake line, ABS line. Then you want to take off the end link, just this one. And then you want to take off these 2, and then it should free up. And then you can move the end link, and then compress the top. This will drop down.
Yeah.
And then we don't do the top, and you can just pull it out.
Let's get it, baby. All right, guys, I got the ABS the ABS line off for this side and the other side. I need a socket just to get the brake line off, and I think we'll be good to get started. Come on, man, I thought you've been working out, bro. 50 push-ups a day. That's not even a push-up. Ooh, that sounded good, boy.
Yeah, it is.
They got some anti-seize, everything on there, bro. This guy. Nah, I think we loosened it for a minute.
Yeah, you right.
Yeah, we loosened it. Oh my god, bro!
Oh, shit.
Ooh, he's tripping your bolt, bro. Just in case, bro. Gotta rethink life. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go eat some Whataburger. I'm getting pretty hungry.
We finished installing the fronts.
Yeah, we finished installing the fronts. The end links are really easy. Min got it off no
All
problem.
you gotta do is just get a 17. Like that.
Yeah.
Deep 17.
Oh, where did your sunglasses come from? Some
Yeah.
Shout out to Min
Hey,
for
don't
the
pick up my
meals.
fries, what the fuck?
You're gonna duff your
Man, I
fries.
paid extra for these fries.
I paid extra.
He didn't even pay.
Thank you for the meal, bro.
You're welcome, Casey. Thank you guys for not installing my clothes yet.
Don't worry about it.
Watch out, it's gonna fall on you, bro. There you go, you're good. Put the brake line off right there.
That shit is strobe light, bro. While he's handling the top mount, I'm gonna be ready to catch the coil. Yeah, this thing's gonna fall. We didn't need those ratchet straps at all.
Oh!
Hey, let's go.
God damn!
Bro, that's a big ass drop.
Holy shit. Your wheel is gonna be up here, like touching this.
It didn't even settle in yet, too.
Dude, that's crazy.
Hey, we'll send, bro. I have the camera, too.
You're smoking, bro.
Damn, this man. That shit's hella nice. Look at that spoiler, bro.
Keep coming. Alright, you're good. Hey, stop sliding.
Do a burnout. Who's this right here? Who's this?
Oh, fuck.
Got it?
I sat on the court.
Yeah, you got it.
Hey, chill. I gotta sell that, fool.
Got it, Bubba? Push it. There you go. Alright, where are the two nuts
Oh,
at?
shit.
Where are
Where's
the
the
two,
two
where are
nuts?
the two nuts at? Don't tell me we lost them.
Nah, up here.
Oh, okay.
You good, bro? Yeah, censor it, fool.
Huh?
Censor it.
I'll put your face on there.
Too easy, bro.
Oh yeah, hey, do a picture. Thumbnail. Alright, good shit, guys. Put that work in.
Leverage up in there. Alright, go.
Hey, Brandon, the top are 10, right?
Chill.
Huh?
The top are 10.
Yeah. This should be 10 or 12, I don't know. Oh my god, bro, that's sketchy.
Yeah, why you got...
This dangerous, bro.
I was like, hands used under the car too, fool.
Oh yeah, I got caught on the wheel, right?
Yeah.
At least it didn't crack or anything. You're
Okay,
good.
I don't care.
Sure?
I mean, is it bad?
This is a paint chip, probably. It didn't crack it.
Damn! Can't believe
Can't believe Mo.
She's shaking the whole car. Shit! Yo, what the fuck? Bro.
Dog,
That shit stuck, bro.
dog, that's stuck.
Taking chances knowing this a violation. If you love me, you don't understand.
Oh, look at the camera, bro. Damn, that shit talking, bro.
Dude, we're not rubbing at all.
You dark as fuck.
Thank you, bitch.
Damn, them yellow lights, boy.
Hey, chill. Hey, chill. Woo! Hey, that's the angle for?
Yeah.
Check. Go that way. Let me know if I'm good.
So you better hit this car.
Reverse and angle more. Take picture.
You good, bro? You good?
Oh, shit.
Oh my god. This guy.
No, hold on to this shit.
Oh my god.
I'm good?
Yeah, you're good. No, just don't turn too hard, bro. It's cause your wheel's hitting the inner liner, bro. You're good. You're good. Yo, that dude sprayed hell hard. Well guys, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Today was a really fun day. Got to hang out with all the homies, of course. And yeah, I'd say it's a pretty good vlog. I'm gonna get some cinematics, eat some tacos. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'll catch you guys later.